What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from beautiful Stonewater here in Cape Coral, Florida. Right now I am standing in the fitness center here at Stonewater in Cape Coral. As you can see behind me, we've got a few nice pieces of equipment. It is on the smaller side, but everything is brand spanking new. We've got dumbbells up to 50 pounds. We've got chest and shoulder machines, abs, cardio, all type of different things to help you stay in shape or get in shape. I was also going to do some filming over at the heated pool, but it is 78 degrees here in Florida, and there are a lot of people at the pool right now, so I cannot film there, but no one is getting their fitness on. So if you have questions about Stonewater here in Cape Coral, Florida, feel free to comment down below, or you can give me a call. My number is 239-823-1685. Also, down in the comments, I will put a link to a few of the home tours that I have here for Stonewater and an information link. If you click that link, I can send you anything and everything regarding Stonewater. Also, don't forget to ask me about my buyer's incentive for Stonewater. So, Chris Jarzyk, MVP Realty, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.